Hey all, this is CeoTrades here with your update on how to use Coinbase Pro. It's a very simple app and it's going to get more and more into the crypto space. Right now, it only has several coins, which I'm going to show you. And as I show you this, you'll be able to see a lot of the coins that you've probably heard of. And if you haven't heard of it, you then get used to them because you're going to be seeing them quite some time. Now, these are all the coins that are available on Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is just a step above Coinbase. Why do I like Coinbase Pro instead of Coinbase? Because Coinbase operates like a broker, meaning there are more fees. That's the way that I see it. As well as sometimes I see that the price difference in, for example, Bitcoin is a little bit higher in Coinbase Pro and so on. And sometimes I see the same thing with the other coins that are available. And so let's take a look here. BTC is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BCH is Bitcoin Cash. This is OXT Orchid, MKR Maker. You can see the names right below, and there are at least, I don't know, a good 60, maybe even 100. No, there have been many more added in the last several weeks. Of course, now that since Coinbase is um, is a stock as well, now they're getting more and more into investing in their coins in the crypto world as well. They are looking to legalize in the 50 states, so get ready because a lot of people are trying to avoid taxes through these coins, but eventually they're going to find you. They're going to know what you're investing or so on. But I know that people will take a risk. But Coinbase is a good app. It's not the best, but you can see the chart right here. I don't have too much flexibility over it, except that I could change here the times. I can see it at 1 minute chart, a 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart. And just to look at a 1 minute chart, you can see this is 1 minute. This is from just a little before what 11:20 this morning until now, which is 12:40. That's an hour and 20 minutes. But if you look at it at the 5 minute chart, you'll be able to see more detail in that same amount of space. And then if you look at it in the 1 year term, you'll be able to see each candle stands for 1 day. Usually, is what it is. Let's see. Yep, that's what it is. So you can go far back here as February 4th and to today's date. Now, the another good thing is if you ever wanted to do a trade, then you just go in here in the trade tab, and then you click in here to see which one you want to trade. For example, let's say I want to trade Bitcoin in USD, in the US dollar. It's opening up. Now it opens up and it tells me how much I have available in USD, which right now I have zero. I have it all invested. And I know that a lot of people are worried because crypto goes up and down and up and down. That's normal. Chances are that by the time you go in, you're going to see that crypto is going down. Bitcoin's going down and just in general in all the markets. But if you hang on, if you sit tight, if you relax, and if you don't let your stomach get the best of you, you'll make some money. You will make some money. If you wanted to place a trade, you could do buy right here, and you can buy at the market or buy it in a limit order. I like limit orders for why? Because right now the price is 53,259. Let's say I wanted it at 52,300. I could put my price in here, 52,300, right? And then whoops, sorry, put that in the wrong line. Here, I'd say I want to buy 0.05 Bitcoins, 0.05 Bitcoins. How much is that? That the limit price of 52,300. It'll tell me on the next line right here. It tells me it's 2,628 USD dollars, which I don't have that much money right now. And since it's at a limit, it's not going to fill right away. But if the price drops, it's possible it could drop. I believe it will, and eventually it'll fill up at that price. And you can see the fee. It has a $13 fee to invest in this. Yep, there are fees. They've got to make some money. So that's the way that this works. That's Coinbase for you. Coinbase, you can also see all your portfolio files right in here. The investments, these are some of my investments right now. I have different software, so in some you'll see more, in some you'll see less. And right here you can see I have that much invested, 21,000 in this software, and I'm up pretty much all around on all the stocks, in all the crypto coins. And I like to be able to hold these for several years, if not more, because the longer you hold, the more you will see your returns multiplied. Multiplied. That's right. You want to see your money multiplied. So that's it with Coinbase Pro. If you want to deposit money into it, you have a few ways. You can look at my 3 minute video on how to transfer from Cash App to Bitcoin, or you can deposit other ways. You can set up your accounts in here, right in here. You can go in here and you can set up an account under the banking. I don't think it's going to show much information in here, but let's see. You can do it this way. Yep. So you can see I have 2 accounts linked. You can do it that way. You can do it however you'd like so that you feel comfortable. So that's it for today. This is CEO Trades. I hope you have a wonderful one and that you're learning something each and every day so that you build your knowledge account so your bank account will grow multiplied.